Are you passionate about data science? Why not kickstart your journey with a virtual internship by Internshipgate? Ever wondered what it takes to excel in data science? Unlock the world of data science with our virtual internship program at Internshipgate. Dive into real-world data projects, master advanced analytics techniques, and unleash your data-driven potential. Hands-on learning experience. Immerse yourself in data analysis, machine learning, data visualization, and more. Gain practical skills that will set you apart in the competitive field of data science. Propel your career, boost your resume, impress prospective employers, and pave the way for a successful career in data science. Ready to turn your passion for data into a rewarding profession? Apply now for our data science virtual internship and take your first step towards becoming a data science expert. Visit www.internshipgate.com to learn more and secure your spot in the world of data science today.